Good morning, everyone. Let's start with the remaining part of the reactions of benzene diazonium chlorides. Now, which of the reactions shown by the benzene diazonium chloride? Then, now see replacement by fluoride. Replacement by fluoride. Replacement by fluoride. Now benzene diazonium chloride. N positive triple bond and Cl negative is in attraction with this N positive. This is a benzene diazonium chloride. When it reacts with fluoroboric acid HbF4, which is called as fluoroboric acid. Fluoroboric acid. In first step, it forms a benzene diazonium fluoroborate. The first step, that the formation of this intermediate not given in your syllabus. Now concentrate over this N positive triple bond N. This H positive BF4 negative. This Cl negative goes with this H positive and it forms a HCl. And this BF4 negative is in attraction with this N positive. BF4 negative. That is, the compound is called as benzene diazonium fluoroborate. This compound upon heating forms a, which undergoes into the decomposition, forms a such type of compound that fluorine plus N2 gas plus BF3. Fluorine is get attached by replacement of this N2 group. That this is called as fluorobenzene. Directly, fluorobenzene cannot be prepared by the electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. This is the best method for the preparation of fluorobenzene. That the reaction is also known as Bals-Simon reaction. Bals, that is also known as Bals-Simon reaction. Both scientists Bals and Simon independently working on the same thing, therefore the reaction is called as Bals and Simon reaction. Fluorobenzene cannot be prepared by electrophilic aromatic substitution. This is the best substitute method for the preparation of fluorobenzene. Therefore, this is important methods for the preparation of fluorobenzene. In first step, the benzene diazonium chloride reacts with fluoroboric acid. It forms a benzene diazonium fluoroborate, which upon decomposition, it forms a fluorobenzene with the liberation of N2 and formation of BF3. This is the important reaction. And the reaction is known as Bals-Simon reaction. Now, next reaction is the then replacement by nitro group. can written as this, like this, or N triple bond N positive attraction, Cl negative. This is benzene diazonium chloride. When it reacts with HbF4 in first step, that is fluoroboric acid. Fluoroboric acid. Then in first step it forms a benzene diazonium fluoroborate. It forms a benzene diazonium fluoroborate. BF4 negative is H positive goes with this Cl negative plus HCl, and it forms a benzene diazonium fluoroborate. This benzene diazonium fluoroborate upon decomposition with NaNO2, sodium nitrite, NaNO2, in presence of copper powder. It forms a nitrobenzene. It forms a such type of product, that is a NO2. Na positive goes with this BF4 negative, therefore it forms a NaBF4. The reaction mechanism is not given in your syllabus. Note this mechanism, concentrated over this mechanism. This NaBF4, then N2 plus N2 get liberated and it forms a nitrobenzene. In this way, the N2Cl group get replaced by the nitro group. Therefore, the reaction is known as the replacement of benzene diazonium chloride, that diazonium chloride with nitro group. In first step, the mechanism is not given in your syllabus, the reaction directly written, but you concentrate over this. In first step, it forms a benzene diazonium fluoroborate, H positive and Cl negative goes with HCl. This BF4 negative is in attraction with this N positive, triple bond N. This benzene diazonium fluoroborate under decomposition, in presence of, it reacts with NaNO2, in presence of copper powder it forms a nitrobenzene with the formation of sodium fluoroborate and nitrogen. Then the next reaction is the replacement of phenyl group. Replacement of phenyl group. Replacement of phenyl group. Benzene diazonium chloride this can be written as like this. I can written this like this. N2Cl, benzene diazonium chloride. This benzene diazonium chloride reacts with alkaline solution of benzene. Reacts with alkaline solution of benzene. This is a H plus H, alkaline solution of benzene. It forms a diphenyl. This HCl get liberated, this N2 also get liberated. It forms a like compound. or biphenyl. Biphenyl with the liberation of N2 gas and formation of HCl. This is called as biphenyl or diphenyl. In this way, a number of synthetic compounds, organic compound can be prepared from benzene diazonium chloride. When benzene diazonium chloride reacts with the alkaline solution of benzene, it forms a diphenyl with the liberation of N2 and formation of HCl. Then these are the reaction in which N2Cl get replaced. Now the second type of reaction is the reaction in which only Cl group of benzene diazonium chloride get replaced. Second type of reaction is the reaction in which only Cl group replace. Now see, which are these reactions? Benzene diazonium chloride, N2Cl, benzene diazonium chloride when reacts with alkaline solution of phenol, OH, alkaline solution of phenol, this is a phenol, alkaline condition, it forms a HCl get liberated, it forms a like compound, N double bond N, to which first type of OH. This is the para-hydroxy azobenzene. This is the para-hydroxy azobenzene. This is the para-hydroxy azobenzene can be formed. Now see, the Cl get replaced. The compound is formed, that is the para-hydroxy azobenzene. Now, with the same manner, in place of phenol, we can take it as a aniline. In alkaline condition, we form, the compound is formed, that is para-amino azobenzene. Here NH2 group. Here plus HCl get liberated. Side product. Benzene diazonium chloride when reacts with the aniline in alkaline condition, it forms a para-amino azobenzene with the formation of HCl. These are the reaction in which only Cl group get replaced. Now, the third type of reaction is the reaction in which the N2Cl group get retained, undergoes into the retention, that there is a reduction of N2Cl. Now see, which are these reactions? Third, the reaction in which N2Cl group the reaction in which the retention of N2Cl group. That is reduction. Now see how the reduction takes place. This is the benzene diazonium chloride, N2Cl, benzene diazonium chloride. When undergoes into the reduction with SnCl2, HCl, 4H, or zinc in acetic acid also can be used as a reducing agent. There is a reduction. It forms a like compound in such that reduction of N2Cl, NH, NH2 and HCl. That is, the name of the compound is the phenyl hydrazine hydrochloride. In this way, from this benzene diazonium chloride, in presence of SnCl2 and HCl, by the reduction process, it forms a phenyl hydrazine hydrochloride. That there is a reduction. How many hydrogen is required to reduce the benzene diazonium chloride? 4. NH1, this 2 and this 1, 2, 3 and this 4. In this way, the reduction of benzene diazonium chloride takes place. With this, we have completed this unit. That is, the name of the unit is the nitro compound and amines. Thank you.